So the best way to organize files in Teams is it's a bit tricky. It's because we basically all come from like the SharePoint past, at least, is where we were learned for years that folders were bad. Like you cannot use folders. And then we had to use metadata. Okay, now we're all using metadata. And then we kind of find out like, okay, it's a bit difficult for people to apply metadata. So, and then Microsoft improves the search where basically folders are fine again. So we're switching back to folders. And then we get this notion of Teams, where if I have multiple channels that look very similar to folders, so people get very confused. So like, what am I supposed to use now? How am I supposed to structure my files? So from a SharePoint point of view, I recommend these days just to use folders, so long you don't go too deep. Like don't create 10 subfolders, you're kind of overdoing it, but 1 or 2, that's definitely fine. And then what you basically should do now is think about the team and what kind of topics you want to discuss. Because what will happen is if you have your team, you can create a channel, and each channel basically creates a folder in that central document library. So I think you should take a step back and think, okay, we want to collaborate in our finance department. We have all these files, maybe on a file share. Can we translate these somehow to channels? Because maybe one part is about the yearly reviews or like the budgets, and what you could do then is create a channel called budgets, and then move that content into that folder you just created. So I think you need to view it more from that side. So kind of what kind of topics would I like to apply in Teams, and then match this content you already have with it. I think you need to approach it more from that side.